10 Steps to Become a Millionaire Fast. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that many dream about: becoming a millionaire quickly. In this video, we'll explore 10 actionable steps that can set you on the path to financial independence. Whether you're just starting your journey or looking to accelerate your wealth-building strategies, we've got you covered. We'll discuss everything from smart investments and side hustles to effective budgeting techniques that can help you grow your wealth faster than you ever thought possible. Financial independence isn't just a dream. It's a goal that can be achieved with the right mindset and strategies. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future and learn how to accumulate wealth quickly, stick around. Let's unlock the secrets to becoming a millionaire together. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. The first step on your journey to becoming a millionaire is to set clear financial goals. Start by defining both short-term and long-term targets that will keep you focused and motivated. Short-term goals might include saving a specific amount each month or paying off a credit card, while long-term goals could involve accumulating a certain net worth or investing in real estate. To ensure your goals are effective, use the SMART criteria. Make them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save money," specify, "I will save $5,000 for a down payment on a house within the next year." Remember, it's essential to regularly review and adjust your goals as needed. Life changes, and so should your financial targets. By staying flexible and committed, you'll keep your millionaire aspirations within reach. Step 2. Create a budget. Creating a budget is a crucial step in your journey to becoming a millionaire. Start by tracking all sources of income, whether it's your salary, side hustles, or passive income streams. Next, categorize your expenses into fixed costs, variable costs, and discretionary spending. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going. Once you have a comprehensive overview, identify areas where you can cut costs. Perhaps you can reduce dining out or cancel unused subscriptions. Every dollar saved can be redirected towards your savings or investments, accelerating your wealth-building journey. Make it a priority to allocate a portion of your income specifically for investments. Whether it's stocks, mutual funds, or real estate, investing is key to growing your wealth. By managing your income and expenses effectively, you'll create a solid financial foundation that paves the way to millionaire status. Step 3. Increase your income. To accelerate your journey to millionaire status, it's essential to explore various avenues to boost your earnings. One effective way is to consider side hustles or freelance work that align with your skills and interests. Whether it's graphic design, writing, or tutoring, these opportunities can provide a significant supplement to your primary income. Investing in your education is another powerful strategy. Enhancing your skills through courses or certifications can open doors to higher-paying positions and career advancement. The more knowledgeable you are, the more valuable you become in the job market. Additionally, networking with professionals in your field can uncover new opportunities for income growth. Attend industry events, join online forums, or connect on platforms like LinkedIn. Building relationships can lead to collaborations, job offers, or even mentorships that can significantly impact your financial trajectory. By actively seeking ways to increase your income, you'll be one step closer to achieving your millionaire dreams. Step 4. Save and invest wisely. Developing a strategy for saving and investing your money is crucial on your path to becoming a millionaire. Start by establishing an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This safety net will protect you from unexpected financial setbacks and allow you to invest with confidence. Next, research various investment options such as stocks, real estate, or mutual funds. Each option has its own risk and return profile, so it's essential to understand what aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Diversification is key to minimizing risk while maximizing returns. Instead of putting all your money into one investment, spread it across different asset classes. This way, if one investment underperforms, others may compensate, helping you maintain a balanced portfolio. By saving diligently and investing wisely, you'll set yourself up for long-term financial success and move closer to your millionaire aspirations. Step 5. Leverage debt strategically. Using debt strategically can be a powerful tool for wealth creation, rather than a burden. The first step is to differentiate between good debt and bad debt. Good debt, such as loans for investments in real estate or education, can lead to significant returns. In contrast, bad debt, like high-interest credit card balances for consumer spending, can hinder your financial progress. Consider taking advantage of low-interest loans for investments that yield high returns. For instance, financing a rental property or investing in a business can generate income that far exceeds the cost of the loan. However, it's essential to manage your existing debts wisely. Create a repayment plan that prioritizes high-interest debts while making consistent payments on others. By strategically leveraging debt, you can enhance your financial position and accelerate your journey toward becoming a millionaire, turning potential liabilities into valuable assets. Step 6. Build multiple income streams. Establishing multiple income streams is a vital step in enhancing your financial security and accelerating your journey to millionaire status. Start by exploring passive income opportunities, such as rental properties or dividend-paying stocks. These investments can generate consistent cash flow with minimal ongoing effort, allowing your money to work for you. Consider investing in businesses or startups that align with your interests and expertise. This not only diversifies your income but also keeps you engaged in areas you're passionate about. Whether it's a small business venture or a partnership, these investments can yield significant returns over time. Additionally, continuously seek new ventures to diversify your income portfolio. This could include freelance work, online courses, or even affiliate marketing. By diversifying your income sources, you'll create a more resilient financial foundation, reducing reliance on a single paycheck and paving the way to achieving your millionaire dreams. Step 7. Educate yourself on financial literacy. Enhancing your understanding of finance and investment principles is crucial for your journey to becoming a millionaire. Start by reading books, attending workshops, or enrolling in online courses focused on personal finance, investing, and wealth management. Knowledge is power, and the more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed financial decisions. Stay informed by following financial news and trends. Subscribe to reputable financial publications, listen to podcasts, or watch informative YouTube channels that cover market developments and investment strategies. This will help you adapt to changing economic conditions and seize new opportunities. Additionally, consider joining communities or forums where you can discuss financial strategies with like-minded individuals. Engaging with others who share your goals can provide valuable insights and support. By prioritizing financial literacy, you'll build a strong foundation for your wealth-building journey, empowering you to make smarter choices and achieve your millionaire aspirations. Step 8. Network with like-minded individuals. Surrounding yourself with successful and motivated people is essential for your journey to becoming a millionaire. Start by attending networking events or seminars focused on wealth building. These gatherings provide a fantastic opportunity to meet individuals who share your aspirations and can inspire you to reach new heights. Engaging with mentors is another powerful way to enhance your network. Seek out experienced professionals who can provide guidance and support as you navigate your financial journey. Their insights can help you avoid common pitfalls and accelerate your progress. Additionally, collaborate with peers to share ideas and opportunities. Forming mastermind groups or accountability partnerships can foster a supportive environment where you can brainstorm strategies, discuss challenges, and celebrate successes together. By actively networking with like-minded individuals, you'll create a powerful support system that motivates you to stay focused on your goals and ultimately achieve your millionaire dreams. In this video, we've explored 10 essential steps to becoming a millionaire quickly and effectively. We discussed the importance of setting clear financial goals, creating a budget, increasing your income, saving and investing wisely, leveraging debt strategically, building multiple income streams, educating yourself on financial literacy, and networking with like-minded individuals. Each of these steps plays a crucial role in your journey toward financial independence. Remember, the key to success lies in taking action. Don't just watch. Implement these strategies in your life and watch your financial situation transform. If you found this content valuable, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who are also looking to achieve their millionaire dreams. Together, let's build a community focused on financial growth and success. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.